side door? Which side door? I'm living in the first one. Then they complain and go, oh, we looked at the wrong door. You didn't specify which door to leave it at. There's 2 side doors. People are, they're never happy, people. Customers are never happy. Oh, look out. Let this person do what they're gonna do. I stay far away. Come on. I stay far away from cars.
Oh, yeah.
Jason,
Yeah.
thank you. Just making sure. Okay, good. Thank you. You're welcome. Have a good one. Thank you. So I'm gonna watch this all day. This is so funny. The parking lot's, you know, well, overflowing and people, whatever. What a fuster cluck. Good. Craziness. You're just gonna go right through the red light. That's fine. Just go ahead. Almost run over a bicyclist. That's fine. Just gotta make those deliveries at the risk of almost running people over, right? Confirm. Thank you. Have a good day. You can't park there. I was looking at the phone, of course. That's a good place to stop and look at your phone. Okay. All right.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Thank you.